Hi everyone, we've come to Dave's Hot Chicken because Ella wanted to have that for dinner this evening. I'll show you everything that we've ordered and then we'll do a little taste test. So we've got a cup of sauce, mac and cheese. So we've got a chicken tender, a chicken slider, pickles, coleslaw, cheese, there's bread, brioche and chips. And Ella's also got a milkshake and a Lucky Charms milkshake. Taste test mac and cheese first. I've got to try it as well.
That's good. I love that.
It's nice. It tastes like mac and cheese. Perfect for kids. Not a lot of flavour in. Hot, it's soft, it's cheesy. I would just add a little bit of paprika.
But that sauce would be nice.
Yes, Mina's right. That sauce with the mac and cheese. Yes.
This is so good. I love mac and cheese.
That sauce is lovely. Ella's going to try the single tender in the sauce cup.
This one.
I'm going to go for it. Okay.
It's already dipped.
That is overcooked.
I love it.
Do you love it? Okay. Right, she's going to try a chip now, and I'm going to try a chip. They've got some sort of seasoning on them.
The chips are really nice.
Are they? Come on, let's go have one.
Good.
They are so nice. They're hot and they're crispy.
As you can tell, I've been here already.
Oh my god. Sorry, Ella. Chips are 10 out of 10.
I love how she's gone for a pickle.
Definitely her dad's daughter.
Yeah.
That's it. Go for it, Ella. I'll try this, shall I?
I love that.
Love it. It's so good. I'm so glad.
This is really nice. This is really nice. It was just that side that was too crispy, but it's good, isn't it? You also get a slice of bread. So you know what you can do? Chip sandwich with the sauce. Put a little bit of sauce. It's also got honey and ketchup. We will be back, and I'll be back to have a meal as well. I was just taste testing it.